good, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Carrie if you are new. Today's video is sponsored by Hot Beauty Hair. I have worked with them before. Today we are going to be working on another bang wig, quick and easy and glueless. This is how the packaging looks. You will receive some wig caps, a bag of goodies, and a little brochure on how to care for the hair. All the details for this wig will be linked down below, so just be sure to check that description box, and any products I used will also be linked down below if you guys are interested. So this is how she's looking. The hair is really soft. There was no weird smell, and I did not receive any shedding. This is the inside. You get a total of 4 combs. There are 3 at the top, 1 at the bottom. There are adjustable straps and an elastic band that they sewn in. And there is no lace, y'all, so I achieved this look in literally under 5 minutes. That's only because I wanted to wet the hair and add some leave-in conditioner. But this is how she looks straight out of the box. As you can see, I did have to wet her up a little bit, you know, enhance the curls. But yeah, you guys, so at this point, I'm just gonna style her up, and then that's really gonna be the look. Don't forget to check that description box, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, you guys, this is the final look. Quick and easy, glueless. I really hope you guys enjoyed this quick tutorial. If you are interested in this wig, just check that description box down below. I appreciate you guys for watching today's video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Thank you for watching. Mwah.